Hey people, so this is mother and son again by ourselves goofing about. And as of yesterday, I finished reading this book called The Power of Opportunity by Richard M. Rothman. Now, I mean, a book like this, I would almost say that one should like put this book beneath one's pillow and sleep. It is so powerful. And the basic message behind this book is the power of opportunity is. Um, the people who really succeed in life are the ones who recognize an opportunity when they see it. Like for instance, I recognize that this young man, because he's got his own little fan base, people who tune into the channel just to see him and look what this young man is up to. So, but really, the power of opportunity, I'll again make a video very. When I'm with my kid, everything is like a bit of you know, a bit of a rush. But yeah, power of opportunity it is. You can find this book on Amazon,
I made a
and
mistake.
and it is brilliant. And you can tell us about your mistake.
Subscribe to make my feet not so slippery because I applied so much cream.
Okay, so that is crazy, really. So we were supposed to go to LB Nagar for a pet, I don't know, animal rescue, but it doesn't look like it will happen. It's 3 in the afternoon
We'll
right
have
now.
to.
So really, people. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.